My country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Neo don't come out, come name Beauty as the best girl where he don't ever date since he come this life, and fans are not having it. And also, Phyna don't finally come out to come give us the reason why she called out Nollywood few hours ago. And lastly, big congratulations to Venita over the launch of her merch. So of recent, Venita, she don't finally launch that her merch, obviously they call the unicorn effect, and for there she gets so many amazing items wey be say she dey sell for there. I dey even see say she don't even dey ship to outside country sef. She don dey send products, they go give her fans wey be say the USA and UK for that side, to tell you say the thing don already kickstart. So she dey sell different things. She dey sell purse, she dey sell bag, she dey sell face cap, bucket cap, all those things. So she just put in different, even cord sef wey dey charge phone, she just chip in every little thing into this her brand, and it's so fine because I not believe to say Venita even get this type of wide imagination to fit pull out something like this. So na big win for her, believe me, na big win, and big congratulations to her. So Ike na her model. If you check the, for those of now where we say they're interested, you can go to her page for IG or for Instagram, sorry, for Twitter or IG. You go see the website. So now just to click the website. If you there abroad, you get place where you go click for there where to take order for people ready for outside Nigeria. So big congratulations to her. It's not easy. So onto Phyna matter. Few hours ago, Phyna come out to come call out Nollywood, say Nollywood is insane, all those type of things. So people come and tell and say, babe, waiting they sup na when you enter Nollywood, you don't they call them out, waiting they happen with you. So she can't come out to come reply people waiting really sup when make her call out Nollywood like that. So she can't say hypocrisy at its peak. So I should allow someone telling me to sleep with him at this stage of my life for a row, something I didn't do before now. And he also went as far as telling two producers not to work with me simply because I refused. And you are talking about hand that fed who? I'm a multi-talented being. I'm not tied to one talent. You Jishgoshkin woman, una dey match. They were for the Nollywood people where we say all those producers. Now waiting they suck for there. It always be like that for women, both for everywhere. Nothing saying only Nollywood. You never work for company where we say you go reach for you for there to promote you, they not agree promote you, they'll carry and give another person just because you not agree do what others they do. So now say be it good made that they call all of them out like this so that people go know to say some people they shameless. You know go feel call the third person may open leg just because you feel say you they at the position higher than the person. It's unfair. I wish she go even call the person name so that we go help her drag am, because for the man to go as far as telling other two producers not to work with her, and the two producers mumu accept not to work with her, to tell you say the cancer na cancer, that attitude na cancer for Nollywood. I don't know whether they not get people where they report all these things to for Nollywood for there, whether she go report them or something, who knows. But they don't jam weary now. Feel like go show the paper for there, so maybe they just dey ready. So unto Neo matter, Neo come out to come give us one kind sweet quote. According to him, he say na beauty, na be the best, so type of thing. So he come out, he come say, I met happiness a year ago today. Now you know say na yesterday na night the news make am 1 year where we say we hear about the news of him and Beauty dating. So people they say so are you telling us that since you and V they not be happiness, or the truckload, and a truck be that have been a van where buy all those plenty gifts for V that time for her birthday after the Big Brother house, they call the answer say that one na for caricature? Is it that you not love her, not be happiness make you do that type of thing for the woman you love, all those type of thing? People even come and they talk say why you not go happy, they believe to say in they happy because in they chop Beauty money. Only person where we say no they see clearly go see relationship between Beauty and Neo, and see relationship between Neo and V. The person go come choose Beauty own and Neo own, because I not see a reason why person go choose that type of thing as sheep. You see some comment, first person, a smart guy chop all the money from her, come pull laughing emoji. You were more happy and bright when you were with V. We say when Neo dey with V, in the respect himself. For those of now where we say they take notes, in the respect himself. All those rubbish where we say do for Big Brother Naija Series when he was dating Beauty, he not fit try and if na V in the date. You know say you get some kind of people wey be say you go dey date, once you remember the way they go treat you when you fuck up, when you f up, you go see say they go arrange themselves. But as Neo don dey so, with the way they do with Beauty, I don't know. As much as I no go ever believe to say Niyoti ship na ship, I see that ship as a joke. Beauty dey smile up and down, dey shine when Neo dey around. I no get anything to say anymore. So I wish the two of them well. Una take care, una bye.